what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a cruelty-free makeup haul. So I'm sure you guys probably don't know this, but I am a huge animal lover. I have a really big passion for animals, and that's actually what I want to go to school for, is to be a vet technician. As you guys know, testing on animals is really ugly, and I honestly don't understand the whole concept of it. Don't understand why it is still legal to test on animals and why it's still being done by huge companies like MAC and other huge brands. Obviously, I am not going to sit here and go through all my makeup products and get rid of things that are not cruelty free. Maybe eventually I will, but I'm just going to start off by purchasing from brands that are 100% cruelty free so I can stop supporting brands that aren't. So on the right of me, I have a whole bunch of stuff from Ulta, and I also have two things from Colourpop that I wanted to show you guys. So let's just get into the haul. So the first product that I decided to pick up was the Badescu. This is the facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. I got this one because I mainly wanted to try something new. I have the rose one as well, and I love it, but I wanted to try something new with the facial sprays. I definitely think the chamomile, the lavender, the aloe will be a lot soothing, more than the rose water specifically. I noticed that this one has a lot more benefits than the rose water spray. The next product that I picked up is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation, and now this just came out. This is a newer product. I've been seeing this all over Instagram, all over YouTube, and the shade range that they have is amazing. Definitely able to find a really good shade. The shade I picked up is medium olive, and this is a 24-hour matte finish. I don't know about actually wearing it for 24 hours, but it's a little bit too light for me right now. But I got this shade mainly for the fall because I want to use up the one that I have right now. The next product that I got is the Wet n Wild Fit for a Queen eyeshadow quad, and this one I think is from their Fire and Ice collection, but I'm not too sure. But I'm gonna open it so you guys can see it. So this is what this one looks like, and it has on the actual eyeshadows labeled transition shade, crease, eyelid, and brow bone. And I got this because I want to do a full face of Wet n Wild, and I also got it because it's really pretty and I love this burgundy shade. I also picked up another Makeup Revolution brow pomade. This one is in dark brown because this has been my favorite lately. This one completely replaced my Dip Brow by Anastasia. I think it's originally $8, and I think it was on sale for $4. I don't remember, but I know it was on sale, so I figured I might as well pick up an extra one. This way I have it. I'm a little bit late to the game with this one, but this is the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've been wanting this one ever since it came out, and I finally got it thanks to my mom and our Ulta reward points. This is what the inside looks like, and yes, did use these eyeshadows. I filmed a look on it, so I'll probably link the tutorial below when I have it up. No complaints. I mean, the shadows, the shades, they're just gorgeous, and I find myself using this one probably more than a lot of the other ones, just because the eyeshadows are like still glam, but they're also neutral, so that's what I like about it. The next two things I got are eyelashes. These are the Pure Pro eyelashes, and these are in the type Diva. I didn't realize that I got two of the same. I'm actually wearing them today, as you can see. But yeah, I got two pairs of the Diva. I thought that they were different eyelashes, but they're not. They're the same kind. I love the packaging because once they're done, you could just throw them right in the box, seal it back up, throw it in your drawer, and they're good for you to pull them out another use. The next two things I just had to get. These are the Jaclyn Hill palettes. I did not get the Vault just because I didn't find the other two eyeshadow palettes, like, they weren't pulling me in, so I decided to get the ones that I really liked because it's no point in getting something that's just gonna sit in my makeup drawer. The first one I got is the Armed and Gorgeous, and I actually had to order this one in store because they did not have it, so I ordered it in store. They had it shipped to me, and this is what it looks like. This is the Ring the Alarm palette. This one too is so gorgeous, perfect for fall. I'm definitely going to film a tutorial using both of these palettes. This is the last thing that I got from Ulta, and this is also something that I've been eyeing up. Most of these products I've been eyeing up for a while, and I've been debating if I actually really want them or not, but this one is so fun. So this is the Pure Cosmetics. This is the Celebrate Your Selfie, and I love the packaging. Look at that. That is so fun. You open it up, and these are the eyeshadows. It comes with 3 glitters here, and then the rest they're like matte, some of them are shimmery. There's 16 shades altogether. I'm most likely gonna have to sit down with some wine and do this one because that's gorgeous. And then I'm not finished. You open the sides here and they come with a lipstick, or a lip gloss I should say, and eyeliner, and then eyelashes. These are the same DIVA lashes, but I don't care. They're honestly so pretty. I'll probably just end up going through them. And then you open the side here and you get 2 blushes and a highlighter. The last 2 items that I got are from Colourpop. I decided to get the Perception eyeshadow palette, and this is a collection with Shayla. This one is so pretty. It's good to create neutral looks as well as pops of color, because I mean, once you look at it, as you can see, there are some really pretty pops of color. There's 2 blues that are really pretty. This pink, this one here in the center. So most likely you will see me do a tutorial on this one as well. And then the last one that I got is the Zodiac palette, which is a collaboration with Kathleen Lights. Number 1, the packaging is just so pretty on the front. I love like anything Zodiac, and there's a little moon right there. Stars all over, like it's so pretty. And there it is. I am obsessed with this blue here in the corner. Like, the camera's not doing it justice, but let me see if I could swatch it. Here's a swatch of that blue. Also, probably will be doing a video on this one as well, so you guys have a lot of videos to look forward to. That completes my cruelty-free makeup haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to see videos on, and let me know if you guys have any of these products and how they work out for you. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you on my next video. Bye!
Speed it up. Look at the diamonds, they eat it up. Got me 2